everybody, and this is Nichelle, and welcome to a game of Terraria. So, of course, going to my one world. Ooh, oh, it's night. Ah! I don't want it to be night. Okay. Looks like my doors is open. Oh, no. I don't know what's happening. Okay, there. How did that break? I'm wondering. So, in this video, I am going to be joined by. Let's take. Wait. Ooh. I don't know what this guy's. Oh, there's my guy. Okay. Let's take Ender. I don't know what he named, but let's take him. I just don't know. So what I'm going to do is, of course, run in my dragon. Of course. I need the dragon to protect me. Only this character. Dragon actually defeat Duke first run, and I am going to defeat him alone. So let's see my wand of my fishing rod. Oh, I know. We could defeat this guy because, yeah, this time I don't use the yo-yo. It's maybe a good damage because I do have. Okay. Now to spawn in the eater worms. Here it is. Wow, he's doing a lot of damage. Yep, I should switch. Okay, guys, I'm gonna die. Come on, dragon, do that. Good attack. Go! We killed him. Yippee! And I got a gold coin. Ooh. Mommy suit. Ooh. I might get some, unless my inventory. I don't, oh yes, I got the mommy suit. Mommy suit in ninja shirt. Okay. I didn't know I needed, oh. I got that one thing. Wow. Yeah, that was actually not that bad. So, I'm going to defeat the first run, and I just have to find out where my... Oh, wow. There's hearts everywhere. So, what I'm going to do first is to get my fishing rod, and I think... Yeah, wait. Where's my fishing rod? Yeah, maybe I could invent one. Okay. Let's go in the E. Fishing rod. Nope. Fishing rod? Oh, I could craft. Oh, how did a gold coin? Another range in damage. Wow. Wait, that's a gold coin? How can it do damage? Here, if I stand on top of my crafting. What? What in the world happened? Okay, E. No. I just have to find a fishing rod. Nope. Whoa. No, wait, no. Nope. It keeps. Okay. Yeah, sure. Craft. Oh, yay. I got this sword. But I need a wand of sparking. I can put it there. No. Here. 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 I'll just put that there. Huh. not need one. Why is it? What in the world? Why is it? I do not know why this is happening, guys. I do not why balloons is all the way here. I'm not go to. Well, I did get a maybe the sword maybe can do a bit more power than this. Okay. See. Whoa, it's fire. Oh wait, actually I'm not heading to my love cloud. The reason I named it my love cloud is it says love and it's certainly a cloud. A love cloud. Now if you don't know what my love cloud is, it's basically a home where a star surfing. That might be better. Here, I'll keep this one. I don't think that has really much power. Whoa, this is so awesome, dude, guys. Whoa, there's like a ton of attack. It's great. So I basically check what I got in my box and I get stuff. Let's drop down. Ah! Ow. Okay. So hold this in case any mobs come. Because I like this sword. Fantastic. That star furry. Okay. I wonder why this doesn't work here. Oh, there. Okay. So yeah, I almost fell. Okay. So in this video, I am here. Let's see what I can do today. A boss or something. Oh, I could beat these guys and try to beat them with my dragon. At night. I only have one more. So I might have to defeat these guys. A little power. They're strong, but oh yeah, and if you saw last video, we defeated the Fishron. That. Yeah. Well, sadly guys, this is the end of the video. I'm kidding, it's not the end of the video. We have a bit more time. Well, here, let me use my other. Okay, done. Okay. I'll use this. Ooh, oh, okay. Okay, here we are in the jungle. So hopefully I will see some bosses that might be let's see if I have my fishing rod. Nope. I don't have any fishing rods. That's weird. Oh, use the wand of spark. I don't need these stuff. I don't know why. Okay, let's try this to defeat this one. I don't know if it will work, but oh yeah, leave a comment below. What should I use? Sorry guys. Okay, we're at the ocean. Duke Fishron is not one of the one that Duke Fishron. Okay. do you throw this? Wait. Whoa, cool. Oh, this is a weapon. Oh. Okay, I'll use my sword. I'm going to underwater just to see some cool stuff. Oh wow, what's that? I don't know how the alien works to become back. So what's in this chest? Anything? I never looked in these. Ooh, some potions. Ooh, underwater walking boots. I could wear those. I could wear those instead of these boots. Okay, so let's see. You walk on water. So let's see. Okay, here. Okay, doesn't work. I'm gonna drown. Oh no. Yeah, I got up. Now it's back. Okay, let's see. I could use these off. My inventory is basically full with stuff. I don't need this. So that with the others. Oh, those guys, wow. And then put these on walking tower. Okay, yep. Okay, let's see. This could actually work. I don't know, but I can't walk. Oh, what are those guys? Ow. Ouch. Okay, I'm heading back home, and the way I can do that is by using one of these. Oops, and here, I'll put. I basically have to put a bunch of. Help, guys, help! Oh, thanks. Okay, here. Never mind about that. I died. Oh my dragon! Look at that thing just falling down. Okay. It's doing that. What's this? Ice. Oh, a nice mansion. What in the world is a nice mansion? Well, I know what a mansion is, but not. Why is it that's so small to be a nice mansion? Now, guys, if you want more about Terraria, could you please leave a comment below? Okay. Sorry. Okay. Ooh. I wonder what that lady is. Wonder what she sells. Shop. Angel. Ooh. Magic hat. Now, what I want is a jetpack, and the way that you need a jetpack is making money. So I have to go to that girl, and you wanna come to my house? Okay, she's just staring at me. I don't know. Here, I might ask this. Okay, I was joined by that guy. I don't know what he really does. Look at those two. Yeah, they're getting friendly. Yep. They're just, yeah. I knew. Whoa, it's fire. You know, I have this thing I got. We don't have wild ice skate. I have Rash Mega Stone to. That's why everything is on fire. It's on fire, right? Aw, little bunny. Okay, I'm flying up. Okay, down. Okay. Sorry guys. So in this video, yeah. Wait. I did fight the Eater of Worlds first. Here, let me check the. Oh, it's turning night. I can see the sky setting. No balloons. You can tell. It's gonna be night soon, and that's why I am going. I'm not going to the end of the world. I am going to the dungeon to defeat Skeleton. Oh. Oh. E. I have to get this out. I don't know why, but yeah. Take this out. So I'll change to this. My yo-yo to kill those guys, slimes. No, I should spawn in my dragon. One on the way. There's my dragon. My wonderful dragon. So let's see the dungeon if I can beat him. Hopefully no, because I think I beat him in the video. This is weird. Look, snowy cactus. I forget his name. Why is it snowy cactus? Okay, here's the dungeon. Serious. So basically, I'm gonna spot make my dragon bigger so he's more powerful. And go. Oh yeah. Okay. I'll get my my yo-yo. And then let's go on this. This is mostly scary because he's so hard to beat. Like, personally, guys, he's hard. Hopefully, I have my dragon. Okay. Just pop out. Okay, he's gonna pop out. Here, I'll get this. Okay, I'm a little nervous. I never beat this guy. That's why I'm keeping this out. Okay, here's the part. What in the world? Wow. Did I beat him? Where is he? Wow. Where is he? Okay, I'm not nervous, guys. I do not know where. Oh. I don't know where that is. Oh, wait. I'm stuck here. I'll use R. It might get me faster up there. Whoa, I don't know where. Oh, key. I'll get that after. On the next video, hopefully I'll get the key. Ow. I did use some few hearts, and like that guy kills you so hard. They should do a little easy. Like he doesn't come at scare you. You guys are you guys aren't scared, right? Yeah, you guys aren't scared. Huh? Okay. What in the world? It's not here. Maybe it's not night yet. Yeah, it could be. Well, sadly, that is the end of the video. Hopefully, you guys do like this. Remember to subscribe for more videos. Yeah, peace. Peace, guys. Peace. Oh, yeah, remember to watch.